Here's proof that it's perfectly okay to break the tradition this Thanksgiving by skipping the turkey and serving this MOWI salmon with an herb cornbread crust that's cozy and packed with festive flavors. So let's start off with our MOWI salmon side, delivered right to your door from Amazon Fresh at the click of a button, because convenience should taste this good. Now this salmon is a premium 30-ounce side crafted with the highest standards of freshness, sustainability, and flavor. Just look at the color and the gorgeous marbling. And best of all, it's always fresh and never frozen. You can see it right here yourself. Now the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and open the package and wipe it down completely. That is my secret when it comes to making any sort of Atlantic salmon. You wanna wipe it down, make sure the surface is super dry. This is gonna ensure that the outside of the salmon is nice and dry, but the inside will remain super moist. Let's set that up on a baking sheet with parchment paper and go ahead and season it with some salt and pepper. So for the cornbread, I'm going to go ahead and saute some mirepoix, which is a combination of carrots, onions, and celery. And I'm going to go ahead and pop these inside of a food processor, mostly because I want to pulse it until it's really finely chopped. The carrots go in, then the celery, the onions. Let's go ahead and saute these vegetables. Little butter for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's golden brown. Perfect. Now for that cornbread crust, if you have the time, you can make the cornbread from scratch or even the packaged instant cornbread, but I actually love to find my favorite cornbread muffins and crumble that up right into a bowl. This is really gonna save a lot of time. Once crumbled, we're gonna add that mirepoix mix in there and some fresh herbs, parsley, sage, fresh thyme, season a little more, and we're ready to place this on top of our salmon, almost like a breadcrumb topping, but really kind of a cornbread stuffing topping instead. Just gently layer it on top, make sure every surface is covered. It's okay if it spills off a little bit. And I'm gonna grab some olive oil spray now and just spray it right on top. And this is gonna ensure that that stuffing on top, which is kind of like a breadcrumb, is gonna be nice and crispy when it comes out of the oven. Okay, we're gonna pop this into a 400-degree oven until it's fully cooked, about 25 to 30 minutes. It's nostalgic, rich, and a little bit genius. It's that holiday flavor with no carving required.